Hi, I'm Nishita, and I'm an engineering manager for the computer vision team.
Hi, I'm Greg. I'm a senior computer vision scientist.
And today we're going to be talking about creating efficient, flexible, and scalable vision solutions in the cloud. Before we start, here's a little overview of what we do at GumGum. We invented in-image advertising, in which we contextually place ads in line with content that our clients are actively and continuously engaged with. The tool on the right here is called the Media Value Center, through which we help marketers as well as rights holders capture the value of their sponsorship through social media, broadcast, as well as streaming. And if anybody of you would like to know more, we'd be more than happy to talk offline. So today we'll start with motivating computer vision solutions in the cloud, and then we'll deep dive into computer vision system design through principles that we consider important at GumGum. And towards the end, we'll put it all together through a relevant example and wrap it up with key takeaways.